Hi, I'm Josh Ackman with Park Industries Customer Service Department. In this video, we are going to show you how to do a laser to core hole, a core hole table test here. So to start out with, we're going to make sure we're signed in as an authorized user. And we're going to go to Setup. And right here, you'll see your overhead laser to table numbers. We're going to zero those numbers out right away. And we'll zero both of them. Now we'll come back to our operate screen. And we have the 5 core hole tests loaded here. We like to personally do 5 core holes, 1 in each corner and 1 in the center of the table. You can do however many core holes you would like to. So we have a piece set up already. Everything's vacuumed down. And we are gonna start this program and just drill a core hole in each one. Make sure also that your material thickness is displayed properly. So you can just hit laser and see what the thickness is here, because that will affect your laser on that and displaying correctly. So we'll start this program and let this run, and then we'll show you what you need to do next. Okay, once your core holes are all drilled, what we want to do is just come up on our table, don't move any pieces, and we are just going to look at each core hole and making sure that the laser is right in the hole itself here. So you can see I just have a little bit on this side. The laser line's a little thicker on this side of the piece here. So what we can do is take our caliper and try to measure our line and how far that needs to move over. Now keep in mind, if you move this over, this is also gonna move this side also. And we'll go to each one of our pieces and try to get an average around our table here. So once you have your measurements, we're going to come back to setup, and whichever way we need to move here is what you want to do. So we're going to X and Y. And I typed that 60 wrong. Make sure you use your decimal point. And then we'll go back to our operate screen, display our laser, and that we'll turn it off and then turn it back on here. And that will move that laser into place, and just keep moving that laser until you get them right into that core hole and adjusting them numbers. As always, if you have any questions, please give our customer service department a call and we'd be glad to help. Thank you.